My name's Kasaine Olepartoip, working with the Free Pentecostal Fellowship in Kenya Church. We have different projects because as a church, we focus on different aspects. There is the spiritual aspect and there is the livelihood and development aspect. So with the development aspect project, we are a project that is known as Maasai Gender and Community Resilience Project. The reason of this project today, we are happy because we are launching a bee keeping project for the women of Ewasonyiro. Ewasonyiro is among the three other areas that we are working with, that is Oltiani, in Narok East, Oloserian and Kisharu. We are here launching a project on beekeeping to the women group, known as a simple women group in this particular area, which is Ewasonyiro. We began this project 3 years ago. We had an earlier project on gender and environment, and then this one is 2 years, and we still have 1 year to go. We are empowering women on three key areas. One is access and control of resources. 2 is leadership, and 3 is decision making in the community. You find that the Maasai culture has really kept the women aside on issues of access and control of resources. They don't own anything. All they do is the caretaking. 2, they don't have an opportunity to make decisions. Every decision is made by men. If it is selling a cow, they make the decision and they send children to school. There is no negotiations within the family. Again, women are really looked down upon, especially on areas of leadership. There is no single woman that has been elected as an MCA in this area for quite a long time. But things have changed. Like right now in Narok North, we have a woman as a member of parliament. These are key things that when these people work together in the family, they will realize and maximize their potential, and we will have a very stable societal kind of living.
I'm Jacinta Bashira. I'm the non-ruminant officer in Narok County, and bees is one of the non-ruminants. It's a friendly project. The beekeeping project is a friendly project. It is quite good for women because it is environmental friendly. It is good for women. It cannot interfere with their time. A woman can just go her own ways, do her other projects, and still benefit with the bees. Maybe I can just say a slight overview of the bees. For example, this is an apiary that we have set here today, and we have set an apiary of 25 beehives. And the estimated value per year is around 1.6 million shillings. So we can see that bees can be a provision for other projects. You can do bees, and then from bees you can do value addition, which can give you more money. For example, you can make perfumes, you can make candles, you can make Q-Tex, you can make medicine, and you can also use bumming method for the burns for kids, even for grown-ups.
Ni kwa sababu tumeweza kukutanika kama kikundi ambayo kwa majina ni a simple women group. Tuko eneo ya Narok North, mahali inaitwa Ewasonyiro, Nguruman. Na sisi ni wamama ambaye tulijikusanya, tukakusanywa na jambo moja. Kama vile Biblia inavyotuambia, mwanzo wa hekima ni kumjua Mungu. Sisi kufikia hapa mahali tumefika ni kwa sababu ya kumjua Mungu. Tulipata kumjua Mungu na Mungu akatuwezesha tukawa na hiyo hekima ya kujua ya kwamba kumbe kama wamama tunaweza enda mbali. Na pia jambo langu la pili ni kushukuru sana kwa ajili ya kanisa la Free Pentecost na kwa ajili ya mtumishi wa Mungu Isaac Kishoyan aliyekubalia tukapata mradi huu katika kanisa letu, na umbali huu tumefika ni kwa sababu ya kanisa hili pia ambayo tumeweza kuwa washirika na tukashikana. Pamoja na hiyo, hatuyuko tu wengi washirika, lakini hata wamama tofauti wa madini tofauti tumeweza kusanyika na tukashikana na tukawa kikundi moja. Ningeweza pia kushukuru hawa viongozi wetu kina Kasaine na Felistas, wamekuwa wakuwa pamoja nasi karibu sana.